A YouTube channel for lazy people. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can potentially get a play button like this by starting one of these channels. I'm going to show you channels where you don't need to do a lot of work, but where you can still make a lot of money in comparison to making vlogs and other types of videos. So if you're interested in getting a play button like this, keep watching and let's dive into it. Channel idea number one is the how-to niche. So the how-to niche is all about making videos, simple tutorial videos about how to do a certain thing. Now, if we take a look at an example channel, this is called How To Apps. This person is making videos about all sorts of things on Facebook, Gmail, Instagram, YouTube, basically all social media platforms, or just things you do on your mobile phone. Now, if I just take a look at these videos, you'll see the views are really low. However, that is because this type of channel doesn't upload videos for their subscribers. So their audience is not interested in watching all of their videos. What happens is that they search for a certain thing on the YouTube search bar right here. They'll then see this video because it ranks in YouTube, and because of that, they simply build up a backlog of videos that rank in YouTube and just get a ton of views in the backhand. I can prove that by taking a look at their social blade. As you can see, their views keep going up every single week. As of right now, they're getting 100,000 views every single day. Now with a $4 or maybe $3 CPM, RPM, they're gonna make $300 or $400 per day. That is not bad for a channel like this. Now let me explain why this is a great channel for lazy people. The reason for that is because you don't need to leave the house, you don't need to do anything. You can do this on your couch or on your desk, pretty much anywhere. All you need to do is record your screen on your phone. Now you're probably always on your phone already, so all you need to do is now record your screen, simply do a voiceover, so pretty much explain what you need to do for that specific video. So this video is about how to delete all emails at once. If you don't know how to do it, you can simply watch it yourself, find out yourself on YouTube, and then just copy that video. Simply record your screen, show them how to do it, and that's it. That's one of the easiest ways to make good videos on YouTube that still get views. As you can see, if I just search for their most popular videos, all of these are getting hundreds of thousands of views per video, and these videos are now getting thousands of views every single day, and they just keep adding more videos so that the views keep going up and up as well. If you want to learn how you can find video topics for this, I'll leave a link to my full tutorial in the description down below. Next up, we've got how much YouTubers make. So this is a brand new niche that a lot of people are getting into as of right now, and I can see why. It's really easy to make the videos, they get a lot of views, and they pay a decent amount of money in terms of the CPM. So this channel is called BB Star, and what they're doing is that they're choosing YouTubers and then they're making videos about how much money that specific YouTuber makes. Now they're not showing their face, they're not vlogging, they're not doing anything like that. All they're doing is using a presentation, doing a voiceover, and that's it. You can see these videos are getting 180k, 160k, 150, 88. So these videos are getting quite a lot of views, and they actually make a lot of money because these videos are related to finance, so related to money, and because of that, the CPM on these videos is gonna be pretty decent. And just like with the channel I just showed you, these videos are not made for the subscribers of a channel like this. So this channel has 24k subscribers. However, their videos are only getting 20 views in the first couple of days. But this is all about ranking a YouTube search or getting recommended to the audience from that specific YouTuber. So don't pay too much attention to the views a channel is getting, because that is not that important. I know society and just social media in general is always about getting the most amount of views, the most amount of likes and stuff like that. And when you take a look at a channel like this, you think that the channel is not performing well. But I always take a look at their social blade and recommend you to do so as well, because it's all about the backhand. It's not about how many views their new videos are getting. It's about how many views are they getting every single day. Now let me quickly show you what this looks like. So you can see a presentation right here, simply explaining how it works in terms of the YouTube money. And then finally, he's going to show how many views that YouTuber is getting. And then finally, just the CPM, he multiplies that by either $2 or maybe $3, $4, and that's it. He then has a video. It's really simple because all you need is a screen recording app. For that, you can use OBS Studio. I'm using that right now as well. It works perfectly fine. Number 3 is the lifestyle niche. The lifestyle niche is honestly a great niche as well, because all you need to do is pick a celebrity and then create a video about their lifestyle. You can do so by taking pictures or taking pictures from their Instagram story, their Facebook page, pretty much any social media from them. And then as you can see, you can put together a lifestyle video, and pretty much all they're doing is that they're simply downloading pictures from their cars, their houses, stuff like that. They put that into a compilation, and there you go. You can see these videos are getting millions of views, 1.7 million, 1.6 million, and all within a couple of months. 1.4 million, 1.3, 1.2. So these videos do get a lot of views. Now let me show you an example. So if I simply click on one of these videos, you'll see they're either taking videos from the internet, or they're simply downloading footage from their Instagram pages or any social media, or just Google in general as well. It depends on the celebrity. Like if it's maybe Charli D'Amelio or like any TikTok celebrity, Instagram person, then of course it's going to be easier to take footage from their Instagram. But apart from that, all they're doing is that they're taking photos from a certain celebrity, they put that into a compilation, into a simple edit, and there you go, you've got a video like this. Next up, I've got a niche that is really good, however, it's not for everyone. So keep watching, maybe it's for you, and then after this one, I'll show you one more that is really trending as of right now that you can use to grow a channel crazy fast. Alright, so this is the how to draw niche. Like I said, it's not going to be for everyone. However, there are also softwares that you can use to make videos like this. However, this is the how to draw niche. This is about drawing a certain character or just thing in general. So how to draw a dragon. If you click on that, there's so many views. Look at this, 13 million views, 800,000 views, 2.8 million views. So you can see all of these channels are simply creating videos about how to draw XYZ, and it could literally be anything. Now, a lot of people watch these videos because it's entertaining, it's maybe satisfying, I don't know, and a lot of people are just interested in finding out how to draw a certain thing because they might want to do it themselves. So if I filter for most popular on this one, you can see 6 easy 3D drawing tutorial, 2.9 million views. How to draw a house, 2.2 million. How to draw a dog, step by step, 1.8 million. So all you need for this is your phone as a camera, a pen and paper, and that's it. If you simply show people how to draw a basic dog like this, you can get 1.8 million views. How to draw a horse, 1 million views. You don't have to leave the house. You don't have to film yourself. You don't need crazy editing and stuff like that. So this is perfect for a lazy channel. If you want to find out how to find the best topics, once again, check out that full tutorial in the description down below that is showing you how to do YouTube SEO and YouTube research. Alright, and then the final trending YouTube lazy channel idea is the how to buy XYZ crypto niche. So this is brand new and a lot of people are getting crazy views with this. And by crazy, I mean hundreds of thousands of views and thousands of dollars per day. So you know cryptocurrency is trending as of right now, as of like the time I'm making this video, and because of that there's so many video topics and niches that you can get into. So there are a lot of people that are new into crypto investing and they search for how to buy and then a coin. So that could be how to buy SafeMoon, how to buy Shiba Inu coin, how to buy Kishu Inu, Bonfire, all of these crazy cryptocurrencies, and because of that you can make a lot of money by simply making videos about how to buy that specific crypto coin. Now if I just go to a channel called Dr. Nikki, this guy is blowing up. Kudos to this guy because he's going crazy and he's getting so many views. As you guys can see, he's simply making videos about how to buy a specific coin, and he's posting like crazy, like so many times per day. However, that is because it's working and he's making a lot of money with it. You can see one day ago 5k views, one day ago 4.3k, 10k, and then some of them are only getting 67, but it's all about the videos that do make a lot of money and that do get a lot of views, and not so much about the videos that die off and don't do well. Now, you're probably curious, how much money does this channel make, or how many views is this channel getting? Let me go to the social blade, let me search for Dr. Nikki. Last time I checked, it was about 100 or 200k views per day, and you can see he's exploding like crazy. So last week, 400,000 views. You can see as of right now, 164,092, 1.4k subscribers in just one single day. So he is getting so many views. He's probably making around $1,000 or even more every single day with a channel like this, where all he's doing is recording a screen with maybe OBS Studio. You can use that once again. Then he's doing a voiceover and explaining how to buy a specific coin on Binance or maybe Coinbase or any other cryptocurrency platform. Isn't that crazy? And those are my lazy channel ideas for YouTube. If you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see a part 2, a part 3, a part 4, leave a like on this video, comment that you want to see more, subscribe for more, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.